If Discord is stuck on a grey screen or endless loading, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. This is a really common issue on Discord web, and the good news is that it's usually caused by a browser cache problem, a bad extension, or stored site data that needs to be cleared. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to refresh Discord properly, clear the right data, test for extension conflicts, and fully reset your browser cache if needed. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is open Discord web in your browser. If the page is frozen on a grey screen or just keeps loading forever, the quickest thing to try is a hard refresh. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift and R at the same time. This forces the browser to reload Discord from scratch instead of using a possibly broken cached version. If you're on a Mac, you can use the equivalent force reload option in your browser. Give it a few seconds and see if Discord loads normally. If it still doesn't work, the next step is to clear the site data for Discord. To do that, look at the address bar and click the lock icon. This opens the site permissions and storage settings for Discord. From there, click Site Settings. Then look for the option that says Clear Data. This removes stored files, cookies, and any corrupted session data that may be causing the grey screen. After clearing the data, reload the page and try opening Discord again. In many cases, that alone will fix the problem. If the screen is still stuck, the next thing to check is your browser extensions. Extensions like ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, or VPN extensions can sometimes interfere with Discord loading correctly. Turn off any extensions that could affect the page, then refresh Discord again. If you have several extensions installed, it may help to disable them one by one so you can find the one causing the issue. Now, if Discord still shows a grey screen, try opening it in an incognito or private window. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and N to open an incognito window in most browsers. Then go back to Discord web, open it again, and log in. This is a very useful test because incognito mode usually disables most extensions and uses a cleaner browsing session. If Discord works there, then the issue is almost certainly related to your browser cache, cookies, or an extension. If it still fails, the next step is to fully clear your browser cache. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete to open the Clear Browsing Data menu. Make sure you choose All Time so the browser removes everything instead of just recent files. Then clear cached files and cookies. After that, close your browser completely and reopen it before trying Discord again. This final reset often fixes stubborn loading issues that keep coming back. So to quickly recap, the best order is hard refresh Discord, clear the site data, disable extensions, test in incognito mode, and then clear the full browser cache if needed. That sequence solves most grey screen and infinite loading problems without needing to reinstall anything. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy troubleshooting videos, and let me know in the comments if Discord started working again after one of these steps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.